Today I'm making dragonflies and it's really bright outside. But this is what I'm doing, making this guy right here. So I started with, I made a template and I've been drawing out the wings. Then I'll use this guy to cut them out. Then I made a template for the legs. So I'll cut a bunch of legs out of this. And then I've made a bunch of these bodies. It's just nuts and bolts that I welded together. And then I'll put them all together. It'll look like this. Okay, I figured out I have 7 bodies, and then I've drawn out enough wings to do 7. And now I'm gonna get to work with this guy. So what I do, and see it right here, it's like, it's okay if the black overlaps, because the black is what's getting cut off. So I'll cut out each one of these like in a square, then I'll trim around the actual line to get it more shapely. I did it. Guys, I did it. I cut out 28. And now my hands feel like they're made out of Jell-O. I might be a little crazy from cutting stuff for too long. But I'm running out of daylight. So I will probably finish this tomorrow. But for you, it'll only be 1 second, because I'm just going to skip to the next day. So I'll see you then. Different day, different hat. It is cold today, and the low for tomorrow is 29. Brr. Oh. Going into the shed, and I'm gonna make the legs today and probably grind the wings, but I'm gonna start with the legs because I like to listen to music when I'm grinding and my headphones are dead. So I'm letting them charge, and I'm going to make the legs right now. And then when they're done charging, I may grind the wings. All right. I've done the math, and I need 42 of these for 7 dragonflies. I saw the bending legs, but I just make it out of this little rod here, and I bend it to this shape. I made one. And I painted it and just keep it in the box so I'll never forget what shape they are and how to make them. A little template. So I just shape them with the pliers. Like this. And, you know, these don't have to be perfect because, you know, part of art is imperfection. If it looks too perfect, then it's weird. I'm just trying to get a basic shape. And then I cut it. I already have 6. I only have 9,000 more to go. See you when it's done. Well, I didn't have enough of this metal to make all the legs, so I'm going to go to the store and get some more. I'm going to take a leg with me to make sure I get the right size. Yeah, road trip. Okay guys, the videos are gonna get a lot better from now on because I bought a tripod. I am losing daylight again because I started too late and I went to the store for a long time because I bought a bunch of stuff. I bought some more rods, bought a tripod, bought a DVD. It's a Laugh Out Loud collection. All right, that's enough for today. I got all the legs cut out. There's 42 of them because dragonflies have 6 legs, and I'm making 7 of them. And I got the wings here, and I put them in mason jars because only cool people store stuff in mason jars. That's all for today. I'll start grinding those wings and shaping them and start welding tomorrow. See you then. All right, well, it's another day, and today I'm going to start by grinding up the wings. I'm just going to grind it, you know, until all of the marker is gone, and I usually do it a little bit like this. All right, I did it. I have them all ground up, and now I'm going to start welding everything together. All right, so now using this dragonfly as a template, I shall build more. Take my hat off. Hiya! That didn't work. So I can put this on. But I think I'm going to do wings and legs on a bunch of them, and then I'll go back and do the eyes because that'll take more grinding, which is my least favorite part of welding. But you got to do it. So let me get started on that. There's one. Okay, now that I've got the wings on, I'll do the legs. So the way I do that, you know, is you turn it upside down. all the legs fit on this one nut right here. And so I do 3 on this side, and then I do 3 on that side. And I kind of just look at this as a guide to like line it up. So you tack them on first, then you can move them wherever you want, then you weld them solid after that, so that they're not just, you know, welded solid right away. Alright guys, now I've got all of the dragonflies to this stage. I did the wings and the legs. Now I have to grind these, sorry. Now I have to grind these ends down so that they'll fit inside that bigger nut, like this guy. All right, I got all the eyes ground up, or to the right shape. I'll hold them in these pliers so you can see them better. So I ground the ends round, and then I made them shorter so that they'll fit inside here. So it'd be the eyes. I didn't show it because I don't know if it's OSHA approved. I don't want anybody to copy me and be like, Josh said it was okay, so I'm blaming him. So you didn't see it, so you can't blame me. I do things my own way. But I get the eyes in, and then the tails, and then they're completed. And then I bought some hammered bronze spray paint, and I'm gonna paint one of them and see what it looks like. I think it could be cool. All right, I got all the eyes done. Now I'm gonna do the tails, and then they'll be complete. The way I do the tails is I just cut it out of the scrap that was left over from the in-between the wings. So I just cut a little V shape and weld it on the back, and then I will paint it. Okay, I was welding outside and it started raining, but I got all the tails on. See? So all the welding is done. Now I just gotta grind some stuff, and then I was gonna take a wire brush and try to clean up some of the dirty parts of the weld and different stuff like that. Then I was gonna try that new copper paint that I got and see what it looks like. Hey, this is how I'm painting them. I got a little redneck engineering going on here. I put a piece of metal in a tree, and I tied them up with a string. And we're going to get some clear on there. I'm also going to do it in the copper color. I put a post on Facebook and everybody said they like both, so I'm going to clear all of them so they don't rust, and then if somebody wants copper, I can just spray over the clear. I think I already said that, but it's just the idea that I had. Also, I'm fighting the wind today. Okay, there we go. They're all finished. I painted one just to see what it would look like. I think they both look pretty good. All right, guys, that's all for this episode. I got all the dragonflies done. Praise the Lord. Whoa, that was a long haul. I got them all clear coated so they don't rust. If you want one, let me know. Leave a comment. 2 of them are already sold, so I only have 6 left. And thank you for watching. And if you would like to subscribe, please do that. And please like the video. And I will see you guys next time. It's time to go take a nap or something. Whew. Also, before anybody says that I've been wearing the same shirt for 3 days, I have a bunch of these red shirts. I used to work for this company, Creative Cutting. They're awesome. If you need someone to cut your grass, there they are. But I just didn't want people to think that I was slumming it.